Dear video viewers, welcome back to my new video. I am Shapon Kumar Nundi. At present, I am introduced me. I am Shapon Kumar Nundi. I am a village man. My village name is Akpongoli at Faridpur Upazila in Pabna district. Today, I will highlight how to speak in English. I am going to talk about how to speak in English. English is an international language. It is an easy language if you try. When you try, I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. You will be able to speak in English fluently. You can see paddy field. There are many paddy land in this area. It is a beautiful place. The name of this place Faridpur Upazila. You can see one village. The name of this village Golkata. Golkata is a beautiful village in my Upazila. You can see Chokchokia Road. It is our communication road in my Upazila. There are many people, there are many farmers in this paddy field. You know, paddy is the most important food in our country. It is our main food in our Bangladesh. Most of the people of Bangladesh depend on rice. I like rice regular. Dear video viewers, you can see village. The name of this village Shunahara. Shunahara is the popular village in my Upazila. At present, I am standing by Faridpur Upazila and Chokchokia field. There are many people visit, come here in this beautiful place. I also come here visit in this area. English just practice. If you practice, I hope that you will able to speak in English. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good learner, if you want to be a good English teacher, I advise you, you practice. When you practice, you get better. You can practice every day. When you free time, you can travel. When you travel anywhere, any place, I hope that you can learn many things. You can learn food style. You can learn lifestyle and many culture in our country. Just practice English practice. You can practice regular. You can practice with your family, with your mother, with your teacher and foreign man. Okay, bye bye. Next time see you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.